Hello and welcome back to another Real Magic Card, and today we are back with another crypto video. Ladies and gentlemen, today I just want to talk about Titan-X, the latest thoughts and my latest strategies in it, and as well, what am I betting against? Ladies and gentlemen, Pulse Chain is what I'm betting against. Titan-X is what I'm betting on for this bull run 2024, which I believe it will peak at 2025, but we will see it start sooner than we think in 2024. And honestly, I'm taking this month to accumulate as much as possible, because when you look at Titan-X, ladies and gentlemen, the way it's behaving, people are eating the dips. Because honestly, what I'm thinking right now, you see all these times where it dips and it comes straight back up in no time. That's because people are waiting for those dips so they can just buy the token at a great price and enter staking. Ladies and gentlemen, I've actually entered the staking with not a big amount of money, with around, okay, now it's worth $366. Just as a start. Honestly, I want to get that up to 1k worth of stakes, hopefully 2k. That would be amazing, because ladies and gentlemen, what am I really betting on? What do I like about Titan-X? That I'm just going to go to miners, or should I go to staking? Get the best of both worlds. Honestly, the way that you think of staking, ladies and gentlemen, it's actually such a, if you're gonna go mine, now that I think of it, you want to also stake. There's not a one versus the other. No. I think you should do both. It also depends on, okay, how long do you think Titan-X will last? Okay, that goes part of it. But ladies and gentlemen, okay, I just want to show you. Oh, my mouse DPI messed up. I just want to show you, before you ask that question, oh, how long is it going to take to last? It's not going to be that long, so why am I going to enter staking? Let me do short-term miners, make money. No. Look at this. I mean, yes, don't get me wrong. I have long-term miners, I have short-term miners, but look at this post from Jake. Okay, just as a reminder to you guys, the cost to produce one Titan-X goes up, ladies and gentlemen, extra. Yes, it is in a linear, correlation, but you need to understand that this becomes much more expensive to create one Titan-X. It'll basically be deflationary at some point, ladies and gentlemen. People understand sooner or later Titan-X becomes harder to produce over time. Look at the price for moving up for miners. This is assuming ETH stays at 1.8k forever and doesn't move up. If ETH does a 5x during this bull run, what happens then? Wink. Titan-X is by design a leverage play on the value of Ethereum. It makes your Ethereum a productive asset. Absolutely crazy stuff. Honestly, Titan-X is a wonderful project to be part of. I've already seen stories on Twitter of people making literally life-changing money, guys. Life-changing money already. Okay, and we're still literally in day 50, not even 2 months old, and literally already people making life-changing money. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you're thinking, oh, am I too late to enter miners? No, you're not. Okay, no, you're not. All right, these are the miners that I have. I'm slowly adding more and more. And remember, you don't need to go 100 power. You can go wherever you want. You can go 25 power, 50 power, 10 power, And my strategy is what I want to cover both ends. Right now, I'm doing short-term miners, and I'm doing as well. This is my strategy, right? I got a miner that, for example, that will be done in 33 days. Once that's done, and the value is like 2.8, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of that, cash out my initial investment, which was like around 450. Maybe round it up to 500. Okay, I'm gonna cash out 500 so I can do whatever I want, buy however things I want, I don't know. And then I'm gonna take the rest of that money. Okay, I'm gonna put half of that in staking. The other half, which I'm gonna assume is gonna be around 1.5k, let's just say. The other half, I'm gonna take that. Okay, I'll just say it's gonna be worth 1k. I'm gonna take that and create 2 miners. One that's in like 40 days, and one that's what? One that is in 200 something days. Okay, you guys need to understand, if you're entering right now, there's a small hint. Okay, you want your miners to be either way after the official 280 days or just before that. Okay, just because around that 2 weeks, it's going to be a huge sell pressure. Not that big of a deal, honestly, but just keep that in mind. So what you want to do, you want to do 280 days minus 50, and then from there calibrate it where it's either less. You wanna have your long-term miner to finish way before the official 280 days, because that's where a lot of people, the influx of people who create the miners on the first day, or do it way after, like 20 days after, 30 days after, where you'd think that the chart would recover. But either way, honestly, I think if you're entering right now, it's kind of a win-win. Not financial advice, obviously. You know what I mean? But it's getting a lot of eyes, ladies and gentlemen. People, other bigger channels, way bigger channels than me, are having eyes on this. It's crazy. This is like stars are aligning with Titan X, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and it's crazy that we're at 5.2 million market cap, ladies and gentlemen. You need to understand that. For example, right here, let me show you my staking. I understand that, okay, it's not that insignificant number, $366 worth, but do you know, with the payouts, it's crazy how it works. I get a payout every 8 days, which by the way works out to be, hopefully if it accumulates, it'll be around $50 per 8-day payout. That's, you know what I mean? How many 8 days are in a month? Almost 4, almost, okay? If you get like 30 divided by 8, it's almost 4, okay? But it's 31 or something. No, it's 34 obviously, or geez, 32. But you need to understand, ladies and gentlemen, that that's not the only way you're making money. You have an 8-day payout cycle, 28-day payout cycle. So you get 4 times of this, which is 50 for me, right? 4 times 5, 200. And then now I got my 28-day payout right here that's waiting for me, which by the way is going to be in day 56, and so that's in 6 days. In 6 days I'm going to make $141. So 141, okay, 141 plus the 4 times 50, which is 200. So times, or no, 141 plus 200, 349. Guys, I'm literally ROIing my initial investment in staking within the first month. And I'm asking myself, what have I been doing just making miners when I could just jump in stake and literally wait a month and I'm already ROI'd. And it's staking, guys. It's staking. I will forever have a stake. I will forever have a share in the 8-day, in the 28-day, in the 90-day, in the 360-90-day, in the 8A, which this one's like, might as well forget about it. But you know what I mean? Look at that. It's crazy. It's a smart idea. But I get a lot of people, what do? Let's say if you have low cash right now, not financial advice at all, please. But if you have, let's say if I had low cash, which I do, okay, low cash right now, everything's tied up with me right now, what would I do? I would make a full powered, 40-day miner, 35-day miner, 30-day miner, it doesn't matter really, 30-day miner. And then from that money, for example, let's say it's going to be, let's say it's going to be this one, 2,000. There you go. You just turned 400 into 2,000. You can take that 2,000, go into staking. Okay, simple. Or take the 400, wait for the days. Now you made 2,000. Get the 400 back so that you're not at a loss anymore. And then what do you have left? 1,600. Put that in staking, and then maybe take another 400 from that. So 1,200 in staking, and another 400 to start another miner, and then repeat that process. Rinse and repeat. And now all of a sudden you went from a small fish, and now you're becoming a dolphin, and all of a sudden you could become a whale. Anyways, those are the different strategies. All in all, take advantage of both. There's mining, there's staking. Be on both sides. Don't miss out on both unless you have a different. What do you think of Titan X? Do you think you have to trust your gut in this, guys? Okay. Do you think Titan X will last over a year? Do you think Titan X will last the bull run? I'm betting on Titan X. That's the whole title of the video. I'm betting on Titan X. I have whales, ladies and gentlemen, showing me, I'm going to put 5x on staking. I'm going to test it out for a month. I'm going to put another 5k. I've got another guy, probably down 40k, 40 miners as well, 50k. You know what I mean? So if I see them, they're confident, people who have literally experience, I'm following what the whales are doing, because that's ultimately how you learn a lot. You know what I mean? There's a lot of, like, on Twitter as well, you can see a lot of pages that analyze whale wallets. You see their movements, you understand them, you want to think like a whale, and then you will become the whale. Okay, there you have it. But ladies and gentlemen, I talked a lot about Titan X really, but what else am I betting on? Pulse Chain, guys. It's been a small pump the past days. It's been a small, nice, literal, beautiful pump. Okay, out of nowhere, and there we go. Look, it went from there to there, basically a 2x. And that's my point. A lot of people flooded so much. Bitcoin was almost like $50-something, guys. I mean, almost $56. Crazy opportunity to invest. But guess what? Nobody did. low volume and all of those. Low volume. Nobody did. Nobody bought the bottoms because they're so scared. They're like, oh, look at the FUD, man. Richard Hart. Oh, SEC. Is he? Oh, people are literally tweeting about Richard Hart's going to go in jail and stuff. Like, literally just FUDding. Just FUDding. And then now that I did it 2x, now they come back and they want to buy. They just want to buy at the top. Guys, don't be like them. Buy the fear. Buy the fear. And sell the news. Obviously, when they say sell the news, is either when it's at the top or, you know what I mean? But buy the fear. When everyone's fearful, you got to be in your head thinking, oh, hold on. Everyone is fearful. There has to be something that I should do. Do the action that the majority isn't doing. And that's how you become the millionaire in crypto. Not financial advice, right? It's so easy for me to say, but yet it's so hard. It's like I can teach you guys to be a disciplined trader. Doesn't mean I am. You know what I mean? It's very hard. Sometimes you're like, oh, you know, let me sell on my bag or let me keep holding things. No. It's a constant battle. Okay? Guys, I have an Excel sheet right here. I don't want to open it. But I have an Excel sheet right down there. I keep notes of why I invest in. I keep notes of a lot of things you should do. Okay? Keep note of, okay, this is your initial investment. This is how much it's worth right now. Or keep notes of your profit levels. No matter what, you will take a profit here. You will take a profit there. And that's how you become a disciplined investor. Okay? Yeah, that's my video, guys. Atropa is bullish. The whole ecosystem is bullish. PETA, yes, I am. People call me crazy for saying PETA, you know, it's over like 2000x away from pegging. What are you talking about, guys? I'm not saying this will happen in 2024, 2025. It could happen late, but I'm happy if we reach 10 cents, 2024 bull run. I'm happy if we reach 50 cents. Come on. There's a tweet that I highlighted. Okay. This is from 404 Dev. Just a reminder for everyone. If PETA does a 20x, what do you think TSFI will do? First of all, if PETA does a 20x, I'm so happy. If TSFI goes to $100, I'm extremely happy. I'm extremely happy. And look, there's another one. Shout out to Sunny. It goes, the pulse of Pulse Chain is just endless arbitrage volume. This will feed the LPs, and the LPs will grow over time without real traders. With peg tokens, this is just an exponentially endless printer. Pulse Chain, man. I love Pulse Chain. I love Ethereum. I love Binance, of course, BSC. This is where the money is being made. Base Chain as well. I love Base Chain. But I'm betting on TitanX in Ethereum, and I hold a lot of things. Obviously, all the members, the DeFi insiders, they know. Which, by the way, thank you to all my members. I quickly want to thank them. Tony, a new member, shout out to you, welcome. Mad, Anthony, Art, Mo, Degista, Datfomo, Carolina, TY Mo, thank you very much for becoming a member, and I hope you're enjoying your time being a DeFi insider, getting that intel of what you need to hold for 2024. So if you guys want to know, you know what to do. Join the member today. But ladies and gentlemen, aside from that, I have one last tweet before I let you guys go and do your own research and make up your mind. I'm just putting the spotlight on those projects. What am I holding? Guys, TitanX. What a great project. This is truly innovative. I love it. You know what I mean? You got proof of stake, proof of work. TitanX is proof of weight. The mechanisms, lovely. Imagine when TitanX is deflationary. You want to have shares in the stake. Don't be too late on it. Ooh, do not be too late on it, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, get your miners. You know what I mean? If you're a small investor, get your miner, and then there you go. You forest your percentage, and then from there, create more miners, and as well enter the staking, and then wait another month, and then from there you grow exponentially, and now you become a whale. And then look, if TitanX does a 10x, one miner, you guys understand, if Titan does a 10x, right, this miner right here that will give me 2.3k, that will become 23k. Do you understand how simple that is? Woo! This is why I'm telling you guys, create your long-term miners from now rather than later when Ethereum itself is expensive. And plus, you guys already know, every single day the miner costs more to make and it yields less. TitanX. So please understand, those variables are slowly getting more expensive and getting weaker. The miners are getting weaker as we go day by day. Okay? So yeah. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I've said what I had to say. Take this opportunity that is December. People are in holidays. You know what I mean? Not a lot of things will happen. Don't expect that much. I'm not gonna lie. Don't expect that much this month, okay? Because people are on holidays. They're trying to spend money. They're cashing out. They're not thinking about, oh, let me invest. No. But in New Year's come, guys, you know what happens with, the bottom line, we've heard about Bitcoin having stuff will happen. Bitcoin will go up. No financial advice. I don't know. Who am I? But you need to understand, with more inflation, what does that mean? There's more money circulating around. With more money circulating around, that's even more money that are trying to invest somewhere else because they know about, they're self-aware. Oh, inflation. I don't want to keep my money in a savings account. It'll be worth less. The rate of my savings account that's like, what, 2% a year is not as quick as, you know what I mean, the inflation rate itself. So people are going to look, where can I go? And my number one advice, if you're new to crypto, which by the way, I can make a whole course on this. If you're new to crypto and you're trying to do something super safe, like stablecoin liquidity supplying, or LP supplying anywhere, stuff that are safe, this is where you can literally make 100% APR, 50% APR, sometimes 200% APR, depending on how risky you do. And you don't even have to do nothing, and it auto compounds yourself, and you own your tokens. You don't stake them. It's not locked. You can literally withdraw. Let me know. Okay, let me know. Crypto is one of the ways where you can work smarter and not harder. Like if you agreed, and please subscribe if you're new. My name is DJ Cat, and I'll let you with that. Please enjoy the rest of your beautiful weekend. Look after your health. Okay, it's more important than your wealth. Okay, so this is my reminder. I know my videos are mostly talking about wealth and crypto, but I'm also reminding you guys about your health. Get your sleep, get your vitamin D, and if you're in the UK, just how I am, take your vitamins. Okay, take your vitamins. Look after yourself. This is not a health channel, but take care, guys. I want to see you again in my next video. Okay, bye bye.